Today, I will be showing you how to add games to your PPSSPP emulator easily in 2026 so you can enjoy all your favorite PSP games. Now, simply open your Google Play Store app and then search for Z Archiver. It's very important. Now, with the help of this app, you'll be able to extract your PSP games and also add PSP games to your PPSSPP emulator. So go ahead and install to your device. Now, for people watching this video that they are new to PPSSPP emulator, go ahead and search for PPSSPP and install to your device. So you can install the normal version or the gold version. Now, moving on, once you're done with that, open your emulator for the first time. Once you open your emulator for the first time, it's going to ask you to create a PSP folder. Click on OK. Then just choose any folder that you want it to utilize. As for me, I like using document folder. I'll click on document, use this folder, allow. Then I'll click on OK. And it's going to open the main PPSSPP interface. Now you can see there's no game in here to play. This is where Z Archiver comes into play. So let's open our Z Archiver real quick. Once you open your Z Archiver, locate your PSP game file. So I'll go to my download section real quick. Once I go to my download section, I'll go into my gaming section. You can see I'm actually having some games in here. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to hold down on any game that I want to extract. So once I hold down on it, sorry, we're not holding down on it. You have to click it. Just click it once. So once I click on any of all these games I have, you see the extract option. There's extract here, there's extract to, and there's extract with the 3-dot icon. Now we're going to be using this extract with the 3-dot icon. So once you click on it, simply go back to your main directory and then locate your PSP folder. If you remember, mine is inside the document section. I'll click on document, PSP, game, and then you see this icon below. This icon means that you want to extract that game file inside this game folder. So click on it. Once you do that, it's going to start extracting the main game file inside your PSP game folder. So let's wait for it to finish doing that. So right now, as you can see, it is done with that. So we'll reopen our emulator. Once you reopen your emulator, you still see that there's no game here to play. That's because the emulator do not know where exactly you are keeping your game file. So you have to show it. So you click on browse, go to your main directory, go to your PSP folder. We're keeping our game inside the game folder. You can see it here. So we'll click on use this folder, allow. And just like that, you can see that the game is now here and is ready to play. Now you are going to need some settings to give you the best FPS and also best performance when you are playing PSP games on your Android device. I already have a dedicated video for that. So simply stick to the end of this video because I'm going to recommend it at the end of this video. Now let's give this game a try and see how it goes. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can also go ahead and watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.